Alright guys, today we're going to be making a review on this Ironwalls charcoal grill. So let's go ahead and unbox it and let me show you guys all about it.
Before you skip ahead, let me tell you about this grill. This is a Yakitori Japanese style grill. It's very popular over in Japan to make like kebabs or grilled chicken. But what I liked about this grill was that it was portable. It was really simple to put together. I'm not gonna lie, I haven't had a charcoal grill in a long time, so I was getting pretty excited. So all I use right now is pellet grills and my Blackstone, but this thing was amazing, dude. Very lightweight, but durable at the same time. You gotta be careful with those sticks, those skewers. They're super razor sharp because they're made of quality. Like, let's be honest, they're really good stuff. So I'm gonna be making chicken kebabs for you guys today, and I'm gonna get my charcoal and go ahead and throw it in here. And you don't want to overload this. This is crucial because you don't want it to get too hot, because then you just be burning your kebabs. So let's get this fire starter. This thing is awesome, by the way. All right guys, we're gonna be making chicken kebabs on this new Ironwall grill. We're gonna be using charcoal and we're gonna be using chunks of wood as well. We're gonna be smoking these kebabs. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. With that being said, let's get started. Now what you want to do is go ahead and light that fire starter, and this thing's going to turn on pretty quickly. Go ahead and build your little volcano mountain, is what I like to call it. And I went ahead and built 2 mountains, and then once it was nice and hot, I spread it around, and I got some hickory chunk wood, and I put 3 of them so we could actually smoke these kebabs. All right, we're all ready to go. Here's a little close-up. Look how amazing that thing looks, man. Let's get started. So you want to pull out these skewers, and like I said, be very careful with these. And we're going to get our chicken, which is already marinated, and our vegetables that are already marinated as well. And if you want to know the marinade for that, it'll be in the description, but it's basically cilantro, olive oil, some SPG Kinder seasoning, and that's it. So put your chicken, then put your bell peppers in there. We're using orange, yellow, and red bell pepper, and this chicken is boneless chicken thigh, and I already chopped it into squares and prepared that, and I put an onion at the end. And that's really great because it'll kind of seal it all in. And I'm only going to show you guys how I made 2 of these skewers. No need to show you every single one of them because that would just be a waste of your time, and I definitely don't want to do that. Alright guys, I hadn't made skewers in a while and I was really excited to taste these things, so let's go ahead and throw these bad boys onto our grill. Here's a close-up of those skewers, and these things are ready to go. And I was making food for me and the family as always. Love my family and they love when I cook, so it's a good partnership. So look guys, these things started smelling delicious, especially because I put some of that wood in there. I miss smoking, man. This is just amazing. So to cook these things, it's going to take about 30 to 40 minutes. You're going to flip them a few times, and honestly, it's not going to take very long. So before you know it, you'll be tasting these things. And I like barbecue sauce, so I went ahead and slathered some Kinder's hot honey on 2 of them. And these things are pretty much ready to go. At this point, I'm just smelling it, and it's just smelling so delicious. I can't wait to take a bite, man. So go ahead and get your stuff ready and pull one out, and make sure you check the internal temp. I pulled it at 172, which is perfect. So let's give it a bite. All right, we're gonna give these things a try. Take that onion off. Got some of this chicken. Oh man, that's it right there. If you like this video, then you'll definitely like this next one. Go ahead and click on the next video. Thanks for watching guys. Orozco's Kitchen. Let's go, baby. What should I cook next?